So can you guys guess whose tutorial I'm following today? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new here, my name is Toria. It's my pleasure to have you. I hope that you guys are all doing so well today. Today I wanted to do a type of video that has been trending a lot lately, and that is when YouTubers or anybody follows another YouTuber's makeup tutorial. So if you guys couldn't guess, this is going to be an Amanda ENSING tutorial. This is actually her most recent video she just posted, and it is the highlighter hack that will change your life. And I love that video so much. I love Amanda. I think she seems like such a sweet, genuine person, and I love how just like chill and zen she is. So I wanted to try out her highlighter hack because who doesn't love a glowing highlight that can be seen from space? Yeah, that's what we're doing today. I tried to do my makeup as similar to her makeup in that video as possible today, and I feel so strange right now because I never do like a really heavy lower liner anymore at all, and I always wear liner on the top with my lashes, so I just feel like, who am I right now? But I'm digging it, I'm feeling it, I'm here for it. So if you guys are new here, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe before we get started, and don't forget to hit that bell so that you're notified every single time I upload and you never miss another video. If you guys haven't heard of Amanda ENSING, which I don't know what planet you're on if you haven't, I will leave her info in the description box below so that you guys can check her out and give her a follow as well. Okay, so let's go ahead and cue up her video and get started. Man, her glow is always like 100% yes.
Seriously, this highlight is everything. If you've ever struggled with getting your highlight like super glowy, super beaming, instead of looking cakey, this is going to save your life, and it is so easy.
This is so true. I feel like anytime I do highlight, it emphasizes all of my texture in my face and just grabs onto certain areas, or will start to look like really thick on the skin. You know, like I want it to punch someone in the face when they look at me, but then I also don't want it to look like just like caked it on. You know what I mean?
I don't get into liquid highlights as much, and a lot of people like to layer them. They do a liquid and then a powder. For me, I feel like it's just too much, and when I set my powder under my eyes, I feel like somehow it still can get messed up, and I'm just not.
Interesting. That's usually my go-to, is to use a liquid and then a powder over it, and I love it. So this should be different. I'm very excited to try something new. It's something that I don't normally do, and see how it works.
My trick is using oil.
Ooh,
it is
oil.
Gosh, it's the best. You're gonna see in a second. My favorite.
I would never think to use oil to put my highlight on. That's crazy. I would always think that it would like break down my makeup and take take away your foundation, like leave a weird spot there. So it's a little scary.
To use the Farsali 24 karat elixir. Now this is pricey. I know I use this all the time.
I don't currently have the Farsali oil because I used it all up. I had it maybe a year ago. It's been a while, but since then I have been sent so many different face oils from different companies that I just try to, use those ones and make sure that they're getting use out of them. So today I guess I will use the Beauty Bakery Wake and Bake oil.
All I'm going to do is take my beauty blender. You could also just put it on your finger if you want, and I'm just putting a few drops on the end of my beauty blender.
Okay.
And I'm going to go right where I'm going to highlight. And see how it
Ooh. Got my oil and my blender. I'm just going to do a couple dots. Okay. And then right where I highlight. Ooh. Okay, I see you. It's not taking away my makeup, which is nice. It's not breaking it down or anything. That's good. Okay, what's next?
Plus, this is optional. I'm just extra.
So she's spraying a fan brush. Here I have my Japanesque fan brush and some Fix Plus. So she did like 3.
I'm going to do this, and I'm going to take this loose highlight from Kylie Cosmetics in the shade.
Ooh, I got one of those. Girl, I got one of those too. I love this highlight. It's amazing. So I have the Kylie Cosmetics loose highlighter in Santorini.
I'm going to take this Laura Mercier fan brush. I'm just going to go.
Oh, it's so pretty.
Like, do you see that?
It's amazing. we're just gonna go with it. Wow. Oh my god, guys, look at that. That is one layer. That is one layer. Try to blend the edges a little. Wow. Yes, Amanda, come through for your girl. This looks so beautiful. Okay. Well, it looks like she's adding a little bit more, so we're gonna go in with the second layer. Bam. We are here for the party. And it looks so nice in person too. Like it doesn't emphasize your texture. I mean, any highlight is going to somewhat emphasize it, but it's not as much as it normally does on me. It looks really, really nice. Other side, let's even this baby out here. When I learn tricks like this, I just think to myself, how have I lived my life any other way before this? This is definitely a life changer.
Smaller brush.
Okay, so, oh, where's my smaller brush? Okay, so I have my smaller brush.
Is some of the highlight just to highlight like my brow bone.
Okay, we're gonna highlight brow bone.
And then I'm gonna go on my nose.
Never tried this trick before. Ooh. Okay. I'm living for this too. This is nice. I'm really surprised that she didn't highlight her upper lip. I know so many people do that, and usually I do that, so it feels really strange to skip that part of the beauty routine, but she didn't do it, so I'm not gonna do it. I'm like 3 shades lighter than her. This is me when I think that I'm tan, but I'm really just not at all.
I'm gonna go back to my Fix Plus just to seal everything.
I'm gonna set everything in place with the Fix Plus.
If you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you did.
Got a thumbs up from me, girl. Thank you for the tip. I am living right now. What is life before this trick? Seriously. Okay, so that is about it for this video. I hope that you guys enjoyed watching it, and let me know if you guys try out this trick and if it works for you as well. And I will see you guys again very soon. Bye!